In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a left join in Snowflake, a crucial skill for working with relational databases. For those who might be new to this concept, let's break it down a bit. A left join, also referred to as a left outer join, is a type of SQL operation used to merge rows from two different tables. The beauty of a left join lies in its ability to include all rows from what's called the left table, and to bring in the matching rows from the right table. Importantly, if there are no matches, the result will show a null value on the side of the right table. This is incredibly useful when you need a comprehensive list from one table but want to incorporate additional information from another table whenever it's available. Now, let's discuss the general syntax you'll need to use when performing a left join in Snowflake. It follows a structure that might look complex at first, but once you grasp the foundational elements, it becomes second nature. Here it is. You start with the select statement, followed by the columns you wish to have in your resulting data set. These columns will typically come from both of the tables you're working with. Next, you use the from keyword, specifying the left table. This is followed by the standard SQL keyword, as, to create a quick alias or shorthand for your tables, an extremely handy feature for long queries. After you've designated your left table, you'll then proceed with the left join keyword, followed by the right table you're looking to join it with. Again, you'll use as to create a shorthand for this right table. Now comes the crucial part, specifying the condition or criteria upon which the two tables will be joined. You'll do this using the on keyword, which establishes the relationship between the columns you're joining. Conventionally, these columns are referred to as the join columns. The general format for this would be the left table alias, followed by a period, and then the join column. This is then set equal to the right table alias, another period, and its respective join column. To give you an example, suppose you have a list of students in one table, and another table containing the details about the courses they've registered for. You'd select the student's details and course information, joining them on a related column such as student ID. The resulting data set would include all students, even those not registered for courses, demonstrating the null handling aspect of a left join when there's no match in the right table. And there you have it. That's how you construct and execute a left join in Snowflake. As always, practice makes perfect, so take some time to experiment with your data. Don't forget to review your results to ensure your join is performing as expected. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this explanation clear and practical. See you next time.